Hello.
Not only could I never hope to dance anywhere near as good as all of you ladies, which my girlfriend in the audience can attest to, but you also have a much more impressive resume. You have been so involved in our community, whether it's dancing and performing, or whether it's mentoring along youth to make sure that we keep the Hmong culture alive here in the city of Fresno, working with our now veterans, working with Fresno State to promote education in our community, or working to get out the vote around elections. You folks have performed up and down the Central Valley, getting first place almost in every city that you performed in. And if I'm not mistaken, are the grand champions from last year's Hmong New Year. Is that correct? Well, in light of all of your accomplishments, we did want to present you a proclamation from the city of Fresno for all of the great work that you have done in the community. Again, whether that's dancing and performing, working with veterans or students and the youth, you have brought great honor and pride not just to the Hmong community, but the entire city of Fresno. And for that, we really appreciate all the good work that you guys are doing. So thank you very much. I want to have your coach say a few words, but before I do that, I can hand it over to Mayor Jerry Tiger, who wants to say a few words.
Thank you, Councilman Maxwell, and thank you to our Hmong dancers this morning. Dojong Chongchia, in 30 years of speaking at the Hmong New Year celebration, that's all I've learned. But you know what we've seen this morning is really one president, and so I want to say thank you, Councilman Maxwell, and to the council for having this rich diversity in our council. But the youth that are before us today are the ones that really make me proud. You are not only investing in our community, but you're investing in your rich culture and keeping it alive. And that is so important for Fresno. And so I want to just say thank you for all that you do and for making us smile this morning and for creating an atmosphere here at City Hall with one of a spirit of optimism, which we need a lot more of at City Hall. So thank you guys and congratulations on your recognition.
The two coaches, I'm not the coach. They're that good as they can. But let me get Pa and Maia to come on down. They're the coaches.
Good morning, everyone. This is very unexpected. It's such a surprise. We weren't expecting this at all. But it's been a long journey with these girls. It's been a long way. So it's such an honor to be here and be recognized here.
Once again, thank you for everything that you do in our community. We are so appreciative to have you here in the People's House today. Beautiful performance, and we wish you the best success going forward. And with that, we get the clerk to read the proclamation. Okay. And let's have you all squeeze in real tight so we get a nice picture, okay? And you want to hold that for the picture?
Whereas Binjiao Gongxia, a Hmong dance team from Fresno, California, consisting of dancers ranging in age from 14 to 19 years old, with 13 members. Lily Yi, Meridian Yang, Megan Mua, Molina Wu, Brenda Yang, Autumn Chen, Celia Zhang, Keelan Mua Nutua, Dua Yang, Alina Tao, Allison Mua, Jade Yang, and Jay Lee Chu, under the nonprofit Hmong Culture and Arts Preservation coached by Pa Vang and Maia Vang. Whereas, Binjiao Gongxia Shia has encouraged diversity awareness by performing at dozens of venues ranging from school, multicultural events, to Hmong dancing, to march alongside veterans, and have served as Hmong arts ambassadors for various cultural festivals. And whereas, Binjiao Gongxia has utilized their expertise and experiences by continuing to help Hmong performing arts grow by mentoring elementary-age children in traditional Hmong dance to preserve the Hmong heritage in this nation. And whereas, Binjiao Gongxia members have served as philanthropists by partaking and collaborating with organizations such as the Fresno Center to encourage vaccinations, worked with Lao Veterans of America to honor veterans, partnered with various community organizations to promote voting, and supported Fresno State in highlighting the importance of education to underserved minorities. And whereas Li Jiao Guangxia has challenged themselves by entering Hmong dance competitions this past year, taking first in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and conquering all of California by sweeping first places in Sacramento Hmong New Year, Stockton Hmong New Year, Merced Hmong New Year, and was named grand champions this past weekend at the nation's largest New Year's of all, Fresno Hmong Cultural New Year celebration. Now therefore be it resolved that we, the Jerry Dyer, and Fresno City Council do hereby proclaim January 5th, 2023 in the city of Fresno to be Li Jiao Guangxia Day in the city of Fresno.